It doesn't say have a SARS markings on it. I think it's a private helicopter.
I've seen them do this before out here.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
I'm glad that this. Mommy, hi.
Hi.
Mommy, I'm coming down to give you a hug and a kiss.
Sounds good.
Make sure we make room for Pumpkin. Come on, honey. Come on, Veronica.
Why don't you stand there and cheer her on, and then you can come give me a hug and a kiss. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Hi.
For making this see up.
I just need you to take naps sometimes.
I'm trying to be quiet. Hi, Sissy. He's
Oh, oopsie poopsie. You can do it.
Hi.
You gonna go out on the boat?
Say bye!
If you water it, you water it.
Hi. Are you going on the beach? Are you going on the beach? What's that little girl doing? What you doing?
Oh! It is gonna feel weird, I know.
Dada? I know, right?
Oh, Daddy's out of the kayak.
Yeah. Liam got a boat ride too.
But yeah, they like this one, so. Oh, seriously?
Here we go.
Alright, now the qualified ride. Jonathan Klein, here we go. Come on, Jonathan.
Oh!
Do it better. What's up, boys? Charlotte, last line on the job, boys.
Hey!
Come on, Nathan. Get up, buddy. There's that. Attaboy. Hey! All right, nicely done, Nate. Sorry, bud. Oh, that's the horse. Here we go. Come on, guys.
Hey, come on! Hey!
Here we go. in our novice drum riding event. I got a feeling you're going to
Causing trouble. All three of them.
Riding event. Our typical riding skate counselor.
What are you doing,
Up in Alberta.
Hi, Carter.
Fourth generation cowboy.
What?
Oh yeah!